Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is the ideal illustration of how long-distance travel, opulent design, and German engineering can all work together seamlessly. This high-end recreational vehicle was designed for people who appreciate the freedom that comes with driving on open roads without compromising comfort. This vehicle has a multi-wheel base for stability and control, a strong engine, and stylish living areas. An engine with exceptional performance potential. Depending on the model, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is propelled by a hybrid or high-performance diesel engine. This engine is perfect for both easy highway driving and mountain climbs due to its strong torque and balanced power distribution. It is ideal for both. Even while traveling for long periods of time, the advanced transmission system ensures a smooth operation and economical fuel use. Private room or closet nightstands, LED reading lights, built-in storage, and a full-size or queen-size bed with luxurious linens are all included in the accommodations and constitute a luxury bedroom. With the help of noise insulation and climate control, you can keep the parking lot peaceful. Modern bathroom. The recreational van has a contemporary, fully functional bathroom. The bathroom has a modern sink, a mirror cabinet, a walk-in shower, a ventilation system, and a flushing toilet. Hot water is provided by an extremely effective onboard boiler, guaranteeing comfort in even the most isolated areas of the ship. A technique for rolling on several wheels. The recreational vehicle, RV, which has excellent load capacity, road grip, and balance, is frequently built on a sturdy frame with numerous axles. Typically, an RV has 6 to 8 wheels. This vehicle's architecture makes it perfect for long-distance driving, cross-country travel, and navigating difficult terrain. The opulent living area includes a flat-screen TV, leather chairs, a foldable table, a top-of-the-line audio system, large panoramic windows with motorized shades, and a touchscreen controlled control panel. A microwave, oven, induction burner, refrigerator, freezer, stainless steel sink, and shelves for dry goods and utensils are all part of the fully equipped kitchen. Here are a few examples of technologically advanced safety features in technology. Among the amenities that come with this car are blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, parking sensors, a 360-degree video system, Bluetooth connectivity, and a digital cockpit with GPS navigation and connectivity functions. The Mercedes-Benz Motorhome 2026 is the perfect car for people who want to live a nomadic lifestyle and are searching for a car that meets their needs for both performance and style. Whether you are going throughout Europe's beautiful countryside or from one coast to the other, every trip is elevated to the level of a first-class experience when you are in this car.